This graph shows KMPL of a model car for constant speed running at any speed and in any gear.
For example, in fifth gear at 60 km per hour speed KMPL is 28, and with increase in speed to 120 km per hour it reduces to 12. Also for 60 km per hour in fifth gear KMPL is 28, in fourth gear KMPL is 24, and in third gear KMPL is 19. Also it can be seen that in first gear, KMPL is in the range of 19 to 12 only. For any type of vehicle scooter to multi-axle, KMPL values will be different, but pattern will remain same. Long test drive? Is it helpful for understanding KMPL? 1. What trip KMPL we get is the average value of KMPL in different speeds and gears. Many people are recommending long drive for testing KMPL. 2. But the real fact is that in long test drive there is no consistency and every time we get different trip KMPL. 3. Therefore, long test drive does not help in understanding variations in KMPL under different conditions. All modern cars come with KMPL meter. In this meter you can find instantaneous KMPL as well as trip KMPL. For proper understanding as to how KMPL varies with speed and in different gears you have to observe instantaneous KMPL. For this, just run the vehicle at constant speed for few seconds on level road in the gear decided by you and observe the reading on KMPL meter. It is not at all necessary to test for a longer duration. Gradient or acceleration does not affect trip KMPL. 1. There is no net increase or decrease in potential energy of the vehicle in round trip as the endpoint is same as starting point in round trip. 2. Kinetic energy produced during acceleration is stored in the vehicle. During slowdown it is used to run the vehicle without consuming fuel. Therefore acceleration faster or slower does not affect trip KMPL. Don't waste kinetic energy. 1. Kinetic energy produced during acceleration is stored in the vehicle and it is used during slowdown. This energy is produced at the cost of extra fuel consumed. 2. Don't waste kinetic energy by unnecessary braking. 3. Anticipate situation ahead and release accelerator early to run maximum distance without fuel using this kinetic energy. Let us summarize what we have learned in this video. 1. Restrict your speed. 2. Lower speed in top gear gives better KMPL. 3. In lower gears KMPL is low. 4. Accelerate faster in lower gears to go to top gear early. 5. Avoid unnecessary braking. 6. Anticipate situation ahead and release accelerator early to run maximum distance without consuming fuel using kinetic energy of the vehicle. Thank you for watching this video. Watch the video on Automobile Engineering Quiz, locate fault in the cylinder head gasket, getting released on December 24th. Please feel free to give your comments, suggestions, or ask for any clarification you need. Share this video with your friends and relatives. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get notification of upcoming interesting videos.